Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from Bitmart to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step to help you avoid any common pitfalls. First off, why do this? Maybe you're diversifying your holdings or just want better access to your funds on Uphold. Whatever the reason, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Make sure you're using a secure device and enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section to find your Litecoin balance. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually found in the top menu or under your asset details. Select Litecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. This is where things get exciting. You're about to move your coins. Now, you'll need your Uphold wallet address. Open your Uphold app or website, go to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check this address because one wrong character could send your Litecoin into the void. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits. These can vary, so check Bitmart's fees page first. Review all the details, including network fees, and hit confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation email or text, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the transaction to process, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, log back into Uphold and check your Litecoin balance to ensure everything arrived safely. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network. For Litecoin, it's usually the Lieutenant Colonel network, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.